Hello everyone, welcome back to Speak in English. What is the difference between affect and effect? दोनों का difference क्या है? Everyone is getting confused in both the words. Today, let's understand what is the difference between affect and effect. Before that, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to Speak in English so that you can learn everyday English. Like and share this video so that your friends will also understand this topic well. So let's get started. Affect and effect. I'm going to give you a sentence in which there will be a blank. Blank को आपको fill करना है. You have to think which should be the right word in that blank. So the sentence is, lack of sleep can your ability to concentrate. आपके अकॉर्डिंग आंसर क्या आना चाहिए, अफेक्ट और इफेक्ट? So the right word here is affect. Lack of sleep can affect your ability to concentrate because affect is a verb which means to influence something, to change something. The bad weather affected my mood. So let's move to the second word, that is effect. Effect means the noun. Effect is a noun, which means the results, outcomes, consequences. The new rule has a positive effect on students. It means the new rule that has been introduced in a school has a greater or positive impact on the students. We have seen a positive result among students for that rule. The speech had a strong effect on the audience. The speech had a strong effect on the audience. The most easiest way to remember both the words is, you have to remember the first words. Affect starts with A. Affect is equal to action. Action also starts with A. Affect is equal to action. Affect starts with A. Action starts with A. Action means verb. Effect is equal to end result. Effect starts with E and end result starts with E. So you can understand, you can remember both the words with this simple trick. So keep using these words in your daily conversation and soon you will never mix them up again. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.